How to leave feedback on eBay after purchase. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to leave feedback on particular products on eBay after purchasing them, what you can do is just head over to your eBay application first and make sure you're currently logged into your account. Now just head over to this option that is My eBay from the bottom of your navigation bar, and once you do that, just go to your or click on the purchase history, which is usually located over here right under the shopping, as you can see. So currently I don't have any purchased items available, so if you have one, you should see the option that is click on leave feedback button or pencil icon associated with that order. So just choose either positive, neutral or negative feedback, and after you do all of that, just read the aspects like item description accuracy, shipping item, shipping time, shipping cost, and seller communication using the provided star system, and write a detailed comment describing your experience with the seller. So once you click the leave feedback button to save your feedback, and you can easily submit the feedback as well. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.